is giving counsel to discredit, malign, and marginalize the king of Israel. And this is what he gives to the prince of Israel: sleep with your father's concubines, do it on the roof, and make it plain and open. And look at 2 Samuel chapter 13 and verse number 12. A young man by the name Amnon, a prince of Israel, wanted to sleep with his own sister. Yeah, the sister answered and said, my brother, no, do not force me, for no such thing ought to be done. No such thing ought to be done in Israel. Don't be a fool. The tree Bible called don't be a tree and a tree. I have already told you from the tree dictionary. It's in Kwasiafuna Penimu any tree a Jimmy Funa chairperson any tree. Don't be one, because you can be able to go to my father and tell my father, I want to marry my own sister. If he gives you his blessing, I am all yours. But there is a young man, the Bible said, came Jonadab, a friend of this Amnon, that came and said, if you want your sister, tell your father that you are sick, and tell your father you need somebody to serve you, and let your sister request specifically your sister to come. When a person lacks understanding, this is how they behave. Yeah, would people who lacks understanding, this is it. There is another young man by the name Judas Iscariot. When he sold Jesus for 30 pieces of silver, Matthew 26 verse number 15, the Bible said, when they counted the money, he realized himself that he has become a fool. And so Ecclesiastes chapter number 10 and verse number 3 also Okwasiafa sonenti asiyebono. Opembe okwasia yesu obeye water business enti asiyebebono. Oyena june okwasia yesu obe run for assemblyman enti asiyebebono. Na so first akwane so otietim opai, he cries out opai and tells all the people that I am a fool. Me a me tie mono okwasia ne kase me okwasia